Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today it's day 3. Today we will study 13 chapters. 1 is scientific calculation, 2 angle, 3 acute angle, obtuse angle, magnitude of angle. Magnitude of angle are sexagesimal measure, centidecimal measure, radiant measure, isometry, homothety and similarity. We will not study congruent. I think you know about congruent. I will talk about the congruent later on. Mensuration, graph, parabola, hyperbola, Cincinnati wave, Cincinnati, trigonometry. We will talk about this. This is our module 1 total chapters. Yesterday we study half of the more than half chapters, and today we will complete this and the model 1 will finish. Tomorrow we will study model 2 and it is more lengthy. You have to understand basic concept of physics, so it will take time for model 2 and it is lengthy also. It will take more than 5 days. So after completing model 2 we will do live PDF practice in my channel. We will do it later on. I have 500 questions for module 1 and more than 1000 questions for module 2. We will do live practice for module 1 and module 2 later on after completion of module 1 and module 2, and it will come in your exam wherever you are from, so it will be better for you guys. So now let's go. Okay guys, we will study scientific calculations. Do you know the speed of light? Speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The speed of light. Now we can also write 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. It is easy to write in this form, but it is hard to write in 3 into 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 meter per second, or 3 into 1 2 3 4 5 kilometer per second. For our compactness, so many scientists made this method 3 into 10 to the power 8, adding power in 10. They made this, so it will be easy for us to write 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. It occupies only this much space and it occupies this much space. And for our compactness, scientists make some word. They are pico, P-I-C-O, pico. Pico means 10 to the power minus 12. Nano means 10 to the power minus 9. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. It is indicated by this mu sign. Milli means 10 to the power minus 3. It is indicated by m. And DC, DECI, DC means 10 to the power minus 1 or 1 by 10. It is indicated by 1 by 1000, 1 by 1, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. They are indicated like this. Deca. Do you know the meaning of deca? D-E-C-A, deca. 10. Deca means 10. Kilo means 1000 or 10 to the power 3. Mega means 10 to the power 6. Giga means 10 to the power 9. Tera means 10 to the power 12. Please remember this. If you know it is well, it is very good. I think you know it. But if you don't know, please understand this. Please learn this because they are important for model 2. Model 2 or later on also. It is important for you guys. Please note this. Please do it in short. Why I am talking like this? Because each module are interconnected with each other. Like model 7 is interconnected with model 17a. Now let's talk about angle. What do you know about angle? Angle is known as the space between two intersecting lines. There are two intersecting lines and this space is known as angle. This is known as angle. And I think you know about it. And what is known as acute angle? Acute angle is, this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And acute angle is less than 90 degree. Those angle which is less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. You have to understand this. It will come in exam. What is known as obtuse angle? Obtuse angle is those angle which is greater than 90 degree is known as obtuse angle. This is 90 degree. And obtuse angle is this, greater than 90 degree. This is known as obtuse angle. And what is that angle which is greater than 180 degree? What is that angle? That angle is also known as obtuse angle. Those angle which is greater than 180 degree, this is 180 degree. This is 180 degree angle, and the whole circle is 360 degree. I think you know about it. And those angle which is greater than 180 degree, it's simply known as obtuse angle. They are also known as obtuse angle. What is complementary angle? What is complementary angle? Complementary angle. The sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree is known as complementary angle. The sum of two angle is equal to 90 degree is known as complementary angle. And supplementary angle is the sum of two or more than two angle. There will be more than two angle also, three angle also, four angle also. The sum of angle which is equal to 180 degree, it's simply known as supplementary angle. Supplementary, supplementary angle. You have to understand this. How can you find the magnitude of angle? Magnitude of angle. How can you find the magnitude of angle? There are three ways to find the magnitude of angle, and they are X, E, X, A, G, E, S, I, M, A, L, hexadecimal measure. They are simply degree, minutes, second, and another one is centisimal centesimal system or centesimal measure. This is British, this is Greek. Oldest one is Greek, later one it was established after centesimal measure was established, then after sexagesimal measure was established. I don't know the name of who established this formula. I don't know. If you know, do comment. Centesimal measure is grade, minutes and second. And 3 radiant, RADIANT, radiant measure, simply known as pi. Here let's compare this right now. 1 degree, 90 degree is equal to 100 grade. 100 grade. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. To 1 minutes is equal to 60 seconds. Here in 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 100 second. You will not be asked to convert degree into grade or grade into degree. You will be asked to add, such as 20 degree 60 minute 20 second plus 30 degree 60 second 60 minute 20 second. You will be asked to add this, addition and subtraction. You will be asked this. We will talk about 90 degree is sexagesimal number, and 100 grade is centesimal number, and 90 degree is equal to 100 grade, and in centesimal 1 grade is equal to 100 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 100 second. Here in sexagesimal number, 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 second. You will not be asked to convert 90 degree to grade, grade to minute, grade to degree. You will not be asked this type of question. You will be asked like this type of question, such as 20 degree 60 40 minute 30 second plus 30 degree 60 40 minute 20 second. You will be asked like this type of question in your exam. If you are the student of EJA or FAA, it doesn't matter. You will be asked this type of question. You have to understand this. We will do later on. And at first, like 40 40 grade, 50 minute, 60 second, plus 60 grade, 60 second, 60 minute, 30 second. You will be asked like this type of question. Either you will be asked degree type question, or you will be asked grade type question, but you will not be asked to convert degree to grade or grade to degree. So let's talk about radiant. Radiant is simply known as pi. 1 pi is equal to 180 degree, 2 pi is equal to 360 degree. Okay, you will be asked to convert pi to degree or degree to pi. You will not be asked to convert degree to convert radian to grade. You will not be asked to convert radian to grade. But I will tell you how to convert radian to grade. Okay, 90 degree is equal to 100 grade. Am I right? 180 degree is equal to 200 grade. Am I right? 180 means 1 pi. Pi is equal to 200 grade. Okay, this is the answer. 1 radiant is equal to 200 grade. You have to remember like this. But you will not be asked in exam, just for your concept only. More about degree and radiant in circular motion. Centripetal acceleration, centripetal angular motion, angular velocity. We'll talk B is equal to IR, like this. We'll talk later on in module 2. Now let's talk about mensuration. What do you know about mensuration? I'm not talking about health mensuration, I'm just talking about math mensuration. What do you know about this? It is the branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometry. Okay? It is the branch of mathematics that studies the measurement of geometry. You will not be asked in exam, but I'm just giving you revision only. Just I'm giving you concept. So mensuration is this. And now there are 2D version and 3D version. Okay, 2D version and 3D version. One is rectangle is 2D version. The rectangle of 3D version is cuboid, cuboid, cuboid. And the 2D version of square is cube. Square is 2D version and the 3D version of square is cube. Okay. Circle is 2D version. The circle of 3D version is cuboid. The circle is 2D version. The 3D version of circle is cuboid. If there is height, then there is always a 3D version. Okay. The circle has another 3D version, that is cone. Circle has two version of 3D, that is one is cuboid, another one is cone. Okay, now we will talk briefly from rectangle to circle, and 2D and 3D version. Okay, let's make diagram. LB. What is the area of rectangle? L into B, as you all know. Perimeter means sum, 2L plus B. Okay, this much only. This much for only 2D version. And 3D version of rectangle is cuboid. And let's make a diagram of cuboid. Okay, L, B and H. What is the volume of cuboid? L into B into H. Okay, and what is the value of curved surface area? Curved surface area means this part, this, that curved places where that they are curved, not the roof and not the bottom. This. That means 2L plus B into H, curved surface area. And total surface area means total surface, upper part surface, lower, and that below part also. Total surface area means 2LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, for your simplification I will make how they come. Okay, how they come, how this formula come. Okay, and there are 4, am I right? 1 2 3 4. That means L into B plus L into B and B into H, am I right? And L into H plus L into H plus L into here L into here L into B. No, here B, here is B, here is Z, B into H, B into H. Here L into H, am I right? And 2LH plus 2BH, that means 2H is common and L plus B. This is how formula comes. This is the formula of curved surface area. Curved surface area means the side part of the cuboid, not the upper part, not the below part. Okay, side part, this and the another part and this part. This is known as curved surface area. And total surface area means total surface. This means curved surface plus upper part, upper surface and below surface. This is known as total surface area. That means I will also tell you how it comes. Okay, total surface area means curved surface area plus upper part, means here L into here goes B and down here goes L into B. L into B. That means curved surface area is 2 LH plus BH plus, here goes BH plus 2 LB. 2 common, 2 LH plus BH plus LB. This how formula come. This is the formula of total surface area. Hence, I think you know about this. Okay, if anything is wrong or if anything you don't understand, please do comment. I will make another video for you guys, because I'm doing everything for you guys. I already know about this. I'm already a aircraft maintenance engineers. So this is for you guys. I just want to teach you, and I just want to be a better teacher. So now let's talk about square. Square is 2D version and cube is 3D version. The properties of square is the angle between two lines are 90 degree. The angle between two lines is 90 degree and the length of all sides are equal. And the area of square is L square and the perimeter of square is 4L. 4L means L plus L plus L plus L. Simple. 1L, 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 1L. This is known as perimeter. Perimeter means sum of the all side of square. Sum of all side. Perimeter means sum of all sides. Okay, only this much for 2D version, and the 3D version is cube. Like square, here is all sides are equal. Volume is L cube. Here curved surface area means 1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 L square. Am I right? Yes. Total surface area means curved surface area plus 2 line. That means two surface area. L square plus L square. That means 4L square plus 2L square is equal to 6L square. This is total surface area of cube, guys. Now let's talk about circle. Circle is 2D version, and 3D version of circle is cylinder. This is cylinder, this is circle. Cylinder. Area of circle is pi r square. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r or pi d. Okay. Okay, this is center and this is radius, and this is diameter. I think you know about this. Now let's talk about 3D version of circle. Here the volume of cylinder is area of circle into height, that means pi r square into height, that means pi r square h. Am I right? Yes. And curved surface area. What do you mean by curved surface area? This is this is upper part, that is circle. This is lower part, that is also circle, and this is like this is like the surface of circle. This is like surface of circle, like this is circle. Look, this is circle, and this is also circle. Am I right? But this part is circumference of circle. Circumference. This is like circumference of circle. Am I right? This is the circumference of circle. That is, circumference of circle is circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Am I right? And here is height. Here is height. That means h. 2 pi r h. And total surface area is curved surface area plus, there are two circles, sorry, there are two circles, that means 2 pi r square. 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. What is the common? 2 pi r common, r plus h in the bracket. Okay, you can find like this. Please do comment, guys, if you understand something, or if you are not understanding, please do comment. I will give my 100% to make you understand. Okay, now let's talk about cone. Do you know ice cream? Ice cream, I think you know about it. This is cone. This is also cone, but it looks like ice cream, eh? Yeah, it looks like ice cream. That outer part of that ice cream, that. Okay. Here, it is the slant height. Am I right? It is the slant height, and it is the circle. It is the slant height, it is the circle. Now, curved surface area is pi r l. Pi r l. And total surface area is curved surface area plus pi r square. One circle means pi r square. Now volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula of cone. Okay, this is L. Curved surface area pi r l. And this is like, do you know pizza? Let us suppose this is pizza. and this is the center of circle. Okay, like this. That part I put this part in. You have to remember the formula, guys. You have to remember the formula. I don't know, 1 marks or 2 marks will come in your exam. And now let's talk about sphere. Sphere. S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere. Our earth is a sphere. Our sun is also a sphere. It is not round. It is sphere in shape. So what is the curved surface area of a sphere? What is the curved surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square is the curved surface area of a sphere. There is long simplification for curved surface area. If you want to know the long process how it comes, then please do comment. I will make another video for this also, because I love to teach, guys. I love to teach. If you want to understand, if you want to know how it comes, then because I am also curious man. So total surface area means 4 pi r square, because total surface area, curved surface area means all are curved. Am I right? In sphere all parts are curved, and that means curved surface area is equal to total surface area. So the formula of total surface area is also 4 pi r square. Okay, and what is the volume of sphere? 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is also long process. Okay, how it come, it is also long process. If you want to know how it come, then please do comment. I will make another video for this also, if you want to know. But if you don't want to know, you just want to do for your exam, then you can remember this. B is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And what is hemisphere, guys? Hemisphere means half part of sphere. This is hemisphere, half part of sphere. I got this from center of sphere. Okay, here in curved surface area, here 4 by 2, all are half here. 4 by 2 pi r square. Total surface area is 4 by 2 pi r square, and volume is 4 by 3 into 2 pi r cube. Pi r cube, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. At last, the resultant formula is 2 pi r square. Here is also 2 pi r square. Here is 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the formula of hemisphere. You have to remember this for your exam. 1 marks or 2 marks will come in your exam. If you are the student of ESA or FA or anywhere, it will come 1. It is compulsory. The area of trapezium is 1 by 2 A plus B into H. This is the formula of trapezium. Okay, we will practice later. We will do practice later in live video. We will do practice in PDF file. Now let's talk about triangle. Triangle, triangle. Okay, this is right angle triangle. This is scalene triangle. Now tell me, what is SCALE any scalene triangle? What is isosceles triangle? What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle. Scalene triangle are those triangles in which angles and sides are not equal. Is known as scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle are those triangles where two angles and two sides are equal. Is known as isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle are those triangle where all angles are equal and all sides are equal are known as equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, the angle is 60 degree. Each angle of the triangle is 60 degree in equilateral triangle. The area of triangle is 1 by 2 base into height. Like this is the triangle A, B, C, D. AD is the height and BC is the base. So the area of this triangle is 1 by 2 AD into BC. Okay, 1 by 2 AD into BC. The area of triangle. Okay, I think you know about this. Now let's talk about Pythagoras theorem. Here H A B C, this is the reference angle. Let us suppose this is the reference angle theta, this is P and this is base. Base is the place where both 90 degree and reference are placed. If the reference angle is here, then the base will be here and the P will be here. P means perpendicular, which is opposite to the base angle. It's simply known as perpendicular. Base is placed where reference angle and 90 degree is placed. This side is known as base, and perpendicular is opposite to the reference angle. Here reference angle is theta and hypotenuse is opposite to the 90 degree. Hypotenuse is opposite to the 90 degree, and according to the Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. Hence h is equal to under root p square plus b square. This is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. We will talk later about sin theta p by h, cos theta is equal to b by h, tan theta is equal to p by b. We will talk about this later on in trigonometry. If you want to know how this Pythagoras theorem come, then please do comment down. I will make another video for this, but it will not come in your exam. If you are the student of EJA or FA or anywhere, it won't come in your exam. Just for your concept, for your practical knowledge only. Hello guys, last time I forget to solve degree, minute, second addition. Now I will do. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, how should I add? Okay, just like 20 degree, 20 minute, 30 second, 30 degree, 20 minute, 30 second. 336 6 means 60. 61 minute is equal to 60 second, as you know. Now 0 second, 1 year, 41 minute, 50 degree. Answer is 50 degree, 41 minute. You should do like this. Now let's talk about another chapter, that is graph. As you all know how to plot in graph, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Graph. This is x-axis and this is y-axis, as you know. Here is in this quadrant, this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Am I right? Here both x and y are positive. Here x negative, y positive. In this quadrant, x negative, y negative. Here x positive, y negative. This is the simple information of graph. This is very important for your exam. I think you know about this because you studied in class 8, 9, 10. Some people, some students learned in 4, 5 class also. P1, 2, Q3, 4. Let us suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Am I right? P1, 2 means 1, 2. This is the point of P1, 2. And Q3, 4. Q3, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the linear line. This is the linear line or straight line. If the line goes from, this is the center, here is x also 0, y also 0. If the line goes from center of the graph, that means the equation is y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx. If the line goes from another segment, suppose this segment or this segment, then the line becomes y is equal to mx plus c. C here, c is the point of interaction. The formula to find the coefficient of x is known as it's y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. This is the formula to find the coefficient of x. Okay. What is the equation of parabola? Parabola is this equation. This type of equation is this type of diagram is known as parabola. Here is y is equal to kx square. When k increases, the curve also increases. Like this curve also increases. The k is the coefficient. This is the equation of parabola. What is hyperbola? Hyperbola is like this. This is known as hyperbola. This type of figure. When it comes in your exam, this type of graph, then this is known as hyperbola. The equation of hyperbola is equal to y is equal to 1 by x. Okay. The x increases. If the value of x increases, y decreases. That means when x is too close to 0, the value of y is very huge but never touches y-axis. So graph descent quickly passes through x is equal to 1. That means y is equal to 1 as well. When x increases again, the value of y gets smaller but never touches x-axis. You should understand this. Okay? I think you got it. If you don't understand anything, please let me know in comment. Okay, I will make another video for you guys. Sinusoid wave. I think you studied in wave in class 12 or class 11, I don't know. Sinusoid wave. It is very important for your exam and for your knowledge also. While learning model 3 in electricity, it is totally about this wave. And while we are learning electromagnetic wave, it is very much important, very much important. This is the basic concept of electromagnetic waves and electricity wave. AC current, or we can say that DC current has same magnitudes and different magnitude. Like the DC has this type of current. The current flow this type of in DC current, but AC current flows this, and this is sinusoid wave. This is known as sinusoid motion. It is very important for your exam. And the complete circle is this. Complete circle is not this. Starting from year to year to year, this is the complete circle. That is 2 pi. It is 2 pi. Here is pi. That means pi means 180 degree. 2 pi means 360 degree. If you combine this and this like this and this, it forms 360 degree. 360 degrees. So complete circle. The complete circle forms here. Okay, we will study later on in model 3 in electricity. And the equation of sinusoid wave is, or sinusoid motion is, y is equal to a sine x plus d. Okay, where a and d are constant. In geometry, there are three main simple constructions. They are isometry, homothetry, and similarity. And isometry is distance preserving map. That means distance is preserved. The shape and sides are not disturbed. Like in isometry, there are translation. One is translation. One is rotation, and another one is reflection. Translation, rotation, and reflection. Types of distance preserving maps or isometries. Translation. What is translation? Let's learn basic thing only. You do not need to understand deep dive. Let's learn deep only. Okay, like some image a3, 4, b 5, 8, c -3, 4. That means if we have to translate from this point to another point, suppose +3 point, we have to add here 3 plus 3, 4 plus 3, a, b, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 3, c -3 plus 3, plus 4 plus 3, and the result is a 6, 7, b 6, 8, here is what, 11, c 0, 7. This is the answer. Okay, shape and size are not disturbed, only the body is transferred from one place to another place, just like year to year. This is known as translation. And what is rotation? Rotation means rotate from A, B, C. If we rotate this in 90 degree from clockwise direction, that means it goes here. That means 90 degrees here. This becomes like this, A, B, C. In rotation, the x, y become y, x if is it in first quadrant, or both the x, y are positive. If the rotation is 90 degree clockwise direction in first quadrant, that means the x, y becomes y, x. If it is in first quadrant means this is first quadrant, this is second, this is fourth, third, fourth. And if the rotation is 180 degree, that means x, y to x, y. If the rotation is in first quadrant, if the rotation is in second quadrant, this becomes minus y, x. In 90 degree, in 180 degree, it becomes minus x, y. Okay, you have to understand this. And in third quadrant, the both become minus y, x. In third quadrant, if it is in 90 degree rotation, if it is in 180 degree rotation, minus x, minus y, minus x, minus y. And if the rotation is in fourth quadrant, that means the y, minus x. If the rotation is in fourth quadrant but in 180 degree, this means x, minus y. Okay, I think you know about this, you studied in high school. Okay, I'm just giving you some revision or just reminding past your past activities. Okay, these are not important, but you have to understand it is the basic term while studying in latitude, longitude, in deep dive, weather condition, in a human factor. You need this. Okay, now reflection. Okay, reflection. Reflection means just opposite. If it is minus 1 comma 3, that becomes 1 comma 3. Okay, if it is reflection in clockwise direction, if it is reflection in anti-clockwise direction, year to year, that means the mm, the symbol will change according to the order. Okay, you have to understand that if the point is this and it becomes 5 comma 2, that means if the x comma y is the point, it becomes minus x comma y. Please guys, if you don't understand anything, please let me know in the comment section. I will make another video for that, or I will make detailed video in that topic. Okay, now let's talk about trigonometry. Okay, sin theta is equal to p by h, cos theta is equal to b by h, tan theta is equal to p by b. Okay, you have to remember this. If you want to know how this sin theta is equal to p by s, then please let me know in the comment section. I will make another video for this, but it won't come in your exam. It won't come in your exam, just for your concept. Just for your concept, just to know about yourself. Okay? Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. They are opposite to each other. They are opposite to each other. You have to understand this. Okay, if they are opposite to each other, then cos A is equal to h by p, sec is equal to h by b, cot is equal to b by p. Okay guys, did you got it? Did you get it or not? I think you got it. Okay, now let's talk about sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Again, if you want to know how it come, then please tell me. I will make another video for this, but it won't come in your exam. Just you have to remember for your exam, sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equal to under root 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, you have to remember this. And same like this, cos theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. If you again want to know how it comes, then please let me know in the comment section. I will make another video for this, but it won't come in your exam. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. This is the formula you have to remember. You have to remember this formula, this formula, this formula. And cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Okay, I think you know that about it. Tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta. You have to remember this. And you will be asked just easy question only. Now 30, 45, 60, 90. You have to remember this also. 45, 60, 90, sine, cos, tan. Sine 30. Sine 30 means, what is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, what the value of sine 90? Can you tell me? 1. Here I forget 0. Okay, sine 0 is 0. And here in cos, just opposite to the sine. Just opposite to the sine. The value of cos is just opposite to the sine. Cos 0 means 1. Cos 60 means root 3 by 2. Cos 45 means 45. They are in the same phase. And cos 60 means 1 by 2. Cos 90 means 0. And what will be the value of tan? Tan means sine upon cos theta. Sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. Sorry, here the value will be 1 by root 3. It is 1. And here will be root 3. And 1 by 0 means infinity. Okay, we have to understand this. Also, you have to understand that also. And I will give you that homework. Okay, that 120, 130, 145, 180 sine, cos, tan. Okay, please do it for me, guys. If you do not want to do it for yourself, please do it for me also. Okay, if you give me some suggestion, or if you give me the answer, then I will make another video for this, guys. Please let me know in the comment section. Okay, now module 1 finish. Module 1 finish. Okay, this much for today. From tomorrow onwards we will study module 2, and in this week we will finish module 2, and after this module 2 we will go for the module 3. And why I am going to module 2? Because the module 1 and module 2 is basic for everything, and the module 3 is best. Module 3 is the best for the basic. 2 is the basic for module 3, because module 3 is electrical fundamental, so it is very necessary to understand module 2 for the module 3. Okay guys, after completion of module 3 we will jump 4 and 5, because module 4 and 5 are also different for B2, B1 and B2 for different. So at first we will complete B1 and B2 section for all, then after we will go for the B1 separate and B2 separate courses. Okay, did you understand what I am saying? Did you understand or not? At first we will complete B1 and B2 module, then after we will go for B1 and B2 module. Okay, we will go for the 6, then after we will go for 8, and we will go for 9A also, 10 also we will go for 10, then after we will go for 17. Okay, if it is finished, then we will again return here in module 4 and 5. And while doing module 4 and 5, I will make another video for B1 separate video, for B2 separate video, for module 4 and module 5 also. B1 for separate video, B2 for separate video. Here for B1 for module 4 it is a bit lengthy for B2, but in module 5 B1 is lengthy, B2 is not lengthy, so I will make separate video for them. So please guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe, please like the video, please do comment, and if you don't like, please give me feedback so that I can improve in next video. So thank you guys.